Wearable bioengineering devices are transforming how we monitor health by moving sensing out of clinics and into daily life. Combining miniaturized sensors, flexible electronics, wireless connectivity, and advanced algorithms, these devices continuously capture physiological signals, heart rate and rhythm, respiratory rate, motion, skin temperature, biochemical markers in sweat or interstitial fluid, and turn them into actionable information for users and clinicians. Key sensing modalities include electrophysiology, ECG, EMG for cardiac and muscle activity, optical photoplethysmography, PPG for heart rate variability, and blood oxygenation, inertial sensors, accelerometers, gyroscopes for activity, gait and fall detection, thermal sensors for core and skin temperature trends, and chemical sensors that detect metabolites, electrolytes, or drug levels from sweat, saliva, or interstitial fluid. Emerging approaches such as microneedle arrays and epidermal electronics enable minimally invasive access to interstitial fluid for continuous glucose monitoring and pharmacokinetic profiling. Raw signals from wearables require careful pre-processing to remove noise and motion artifacts, robust feature extraction, and context-aware interpretation. Machine learning and signal processing pipelines increasingly provide personalized models that account for individual baseline physiology and behavior, improving sensitivity and specificity for conditions like atrial fibrillation, sleep apnea, or early signs of decompensation in chronic disease. Real-time analytics and cloud-based platforms let devices deliver immediate alerts, longitudinal trends, and integration with electronic health records when clinically appropriate. Clinical and consumer applications are broad. Fitness and wellness devices track activity, sleep, and recovery. Medical-grade wearables support chronic disease management, continuous glucose monitors for diabetes, ambulatory ECG patches for arrhythmia detection, and remote monitoring systems for heart failure or COPD that detect worsening status before hospitalization. In occupational and athletic settings, wearables can monitor heat stress, concussion risk, or overtraining. At the population level, aggregated wearable data has supported public health surveillance and early detection of infectious disease outbreaks. Despite rapid advances, wearables face important challenges. Sensor accuracy and reliability can be degraded by motion, sweat, variable contact, and environmental factors. Regular calibration and robust design are essential. Power consumption and battery life constrain sampling rates and continuous operation. Energy-efficient electronics and novel harvesting methods are active research areas. Data heterogeneity and lack of standardization complicate interoperability with clinical systems, while regulatory pathways for devices that blend consumer and medical functions remain complex. Ensuring long-term adhesion, biocompatibility, and user comfort is also critical for sustained adherence. Ethical, legal, and privacy considerations are central. Wearables collect highly personal, continuous data that must be protected through secure storage, encryption, transparent consent, and clear policies on data sharing and secondary use. Bias in training data and algorithmic models can lead to unequal performance across populations, so diverse datasets, validation studies, and explainable models are necessary to ensure equitable outcomes. Clinically actionable alerts should minimize false positives to avoid alarm fatigue while ensuring patient safety. Future developments will deepen multimodal sensing, tighter integration with therapeutics, closed-loop drug delivery and insulin pumps, advances in soft and stretchable electronics, and on-device AI that preserves privacy by minimizing raw data transmission. As devices become more sophisticated and validated, they will shift care models toward preventive, continuous, and personalized medicine, enabling earlier intervention and better health outcomes when combined with thoughtful design, rigorous validation, and strong data governance.